Hello, my student. Today is going to third lectures on the first chapter, Basics of Thermodynamics, and its first law. मूव होतच नाही ना तेव्हा. आता आलं ते. Adiabatic process. An adiabatic process is change in the state of system during which amount of heat remain constant. Q is equal to constant, dq is equal to 0. This change occurs without transfer of heat or mass of substance between the thermodynamic system and it is a surrounding. Okay, these change occur without transfer of heat or mass. Okay, of substance between a thermodynamic system and its surrounding. Any process that occurs with, within a container that is a good thermal insulator is also adiabatic. This is an adiabatic process figure. There is the insulator wall is there and inside the chamber and the covering the insulator wall, isn't it? The temperature is going to increases. So as a system that under the adiabatic conditions does positive work, so the internal energy decreases and a system that contract under the adiabatic condition does not negative work, so the internal energy increases. बघा परत, a system that expand under adiabatic condition does positive work. Okay, so the internal energy decreases. कळतंय तुम्हाला internal energy and a system that contract under the adiabatic condition does negative work. So the internal energy increases. Since the amount of heat of gas remain constant, isn't it? Means dq is equal to 0. The first law of thermodynamics for such change becomes 0 म्हणजे काय, dq is equal to 0, du plus w, isn't it? du म्हणजे internal energy and w म्हणजे work done. Therefore, work done is equal to minus du, means internal energy. This is equation number 5. So, isochoric process. In this case, isochoric process is a one where the volume of the system stays constant. Again, iso means the same and choric means volume. Volume is the amount of space the material takes up. So this would be like heating a gas in a solid, non-expandable container. The molecules would move faster and the pressure would increases. But the size of the container stays the same. Pressure is increases there, isn't it? In this figure, heat is applied, the pressure is increases. So a quantity of heat dq is supplied to the gas to keep the volume of the gas constant. A small weight is placed over the piston. Small weight is placed over the piston म्हणजे पिस्टनवर आपण प्रेशर अप्लाय केला बर का. The pressure and the temperature of the gas increases to P plus dP and T plus dt respectively. This heat energy dQ is used to increase the internal energy and du of the gas. Okay. Heat dQ is absorbed at a constant volume, that is isochoric change as dV is equal to 0. but W is equal to PdV. So gas does not do any work, means does not do any work means dW is equal to 0. Then dQ is equal to Cv dt. What is a Cv? Cv is a specific heat at constant volume. Then for one molecule of gas, now so equation becomes Cv dt is equal to dV. So isobaric process. आता isobaric process का है? An isobaric process is a one where the pressure of the system stays constant. Iso means the same and baric means pressure. Pressure is related to the amount of force that the molecules apply to the walls of the container, isn't it? Pressure is related to the amount of force that the molecules apply to the walls of the container. Imagine that you have a gas inside a movable piston and you heat that gas up. There is again pressure is applied on this isobaric process. Made pressure is increases, isn't it? So isobaric made by heating the gas up, you make the molecules move faster, which would normally increase the pressure. But at the same time, the piston expand. Piston expand म्हणजे upward direction ने move झालं. Increase the volume of increasing the volume and giving the molecules more room to move. म्हणजे जास्त एरियामध्ये ते मॉलिक्यूल फिरतात, स्पेसमध्ये जास्त फिरतात. Since the walls of the containers are now bigger, the pressure can stay the same, even though the molecules are moving faster and makes it to isobaric process. Isobaric process, the additional weight is now removed from the piston. आपण फोर्स अप्लाय केला होता पिस्टन म्हणजेच काय ॲडिशनल वेट दिलं म्हणजे ॲडिशनल प्रेशर अप्लाय केलेला होता. द ॲडिशनल वेट इज नाव रिमूव्ह फ्रॉम द पिस्टन्स. द पिस्टन्स नाव मूव्ह अपवर्ड. कळालं, अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन मूव्ह झालं आणि ते मूव्ह झाल्यामुळे द डिस्टन्स इज डिनोटेड बाय dx and such that the pressure of enclosed gas is equal to the atmospheric pressure. Okay. The temperature of the gas decreases. त्याच्यातलं टेम्परेचर काय होईल? Decreases होईल due to the expansions of the gas. Now, a quantity of heat dq is supplied to the gas till its temperature becomes T plus dt. Isobaric heat मध्ये this heat energy is not only used to increase the internal energy. ही heat internal energy वाढवण्यासाठी उपयोगी काय? This heat energy is not only used to increase the internal energy is du of the gas, but also to do external work. त्याच्यापासून एक्सटर्नल वर्क मिळतं dw in moving the piston upwards direction. Heat dq is absorbed at constant pressure, then dq is equal to cp dt. This is equation number 6. Cp dt is equal to du plus pdv. This is equation number 7.